Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve a driver can't load on this device on Windows 11 with the error message as security settings is detecting this as a vulnerable driver and blocking it from loading. You'll need to adjust your settings to load this driver. So Windows security features such as memory integrity check drivers before loading them. If a driver is not digitally signed or certified by Windows and Windows blocks it, causing this error. This is especially common when you install an outdated device or third-party software. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to temporarily turn off memory integrity. On how to do that? So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type this Windows security, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at Windows security, and then here at left side navigation pane, and then you need now to select this device security. So if you find already, so all you have to do is to click on right side, then you can see this device security, and you can see this core isolations, and then next this is the core isolation details, so you need to click this, and then here at core isolations, and then you can see now this memory integrity. So all you have to do is to temporarily disable this or turn off. So you can see this button, and then you need to turn off. So once you're done here at Windows security, and then we need to close. And the next solutions that we're going to do is to modify the system registry. So all you have to do is to click again on the search menu. And then here you need to type this registry editor. And then you need to select this run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up here at registry editor, and then we need to navigate the following path. So all you have to do is to select this HK local machines folder. So click this arrow to expand. And then next step, then you need to select this system folder. So same, click this arrow to expand again. And here at system folder. And then you need now to select this current control set folder. So click this arrow to expand again. And here at current control set, then next step, then you need now to select this control folder. So click again this arrow to expand. So here now at control folders, and then you need now to select this class folders. So find and locate, and then if you find already this class folders, all you have to do is to click this arrow to expand again. And then here at class folder, then you need now to select those having problems gid key. So this is all the gid key, and then select those having problems. So we need to select this gid key. For example, we need to select this. And then once you select this gid key on right side panel, and then you need now to find and locate this upper filters. So if you find already this upper filters, so all you have to do is to select and then right click, and then we need to delete this folder. Alright, so delete this, and then after here at register editor, and then we need to close, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart this PC by clicking this restart on the power button to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful to resolve Windows error on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.